Don't be intimidated by seafood. I'm going to show you easy recipes that all begin with great ingredients from Hy-Vee. The key to this Yakitori tuna rice bowl is the quality of the ingredients. Start out with some beautiful ahi tuna, and you are going to have a delicious meal for your family in minutes. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch.
The Fair Trade Program that ensures fishermen are treated fairly and that their communities are invested in. We know confidently that this fish is being managed correctly. Our tuna is the best around. The flavor is amazing, and it's one of the easiest fish for me to teach people how to cook. It's not unlike for me to actually throw some tuna on a skillet. Just in that time that I have the customer there at the counter, I can sear that tuna and sample it and go, you don't have to be afraid of it being red in the middle, because that is a concern of a lot of customers.
All right, let's get this tuna on the grill. Tuna yakitori, is there anything better? A salty, sweet, delicious sauce that sits on top of slices of beautiful, fresh tuna. I mean, come on. I have some instant dashi, a Japanese soup stock. I have some sake and some mirin. Mirin is sweetened rice wine, sugar, soy sauce. I'm gonna raise this up until it starts simmering. Pan like this takes about 20 to 25 minutes for us to get to sauce consistency. I'm gonna wanna season this, put some salt, some sesame seeds, a little bit of neutral oil, grapeseed, peanut oil, either one is fine. Put a little bit of oil here on this grill pan, and then I will take my tuna and put that on there. I'm just slicing scallions here to grill up as a nice garnish. Turn your protein 90 degrees, and you'll get a nice crosshatch on there. An inch of thickness requires 10 minutes of cooking to the point of being done. And you get a nice medium rare in the middle with a beautiful pink center. I don't want to overcook my tuna. While there is fat in fish, this is a very, very lean thing compared to corn-finished prime beef. So I just have some Japanese short grain rice. Best part is we have that beautiful pink center. This is now turned from a light syrup to a heavier. Look at how thick that is. You just want one spoonful. Make sure you coat the fish and then drizzle on the rice. Place a grilled scallion on top of each one. There you have it. It's just delicious. The sauce really is that perfect blend of salty and sweet. This is simple, and you're gonna look like a rock star the first time you make this.